everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and for today's nail art tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to recreate my V scenery or 풍경 inspired nails. I already posted the time-lapse version a couple hours ago, but here you'll learn how to create it step by step and with a full list of products. So without further ado, let's get started. Start with your usual manicure routine by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. Then apply a shimmery dark purple shade to your index and pinky fingernails and a blackish blue polish for the rest of your fingernails. Then apply the shimmery purple, the dark blue, and the white in this order in like a radial gradient fashion, and then sponge that onto your fingernails. You want to do this to your middle and ring fingernails, and if you can't really remember, it's going to be the fingernails that are painted the blue-black color for the base. So you want to do that to both of your fingernails until it looks blended and remove the latex barrier. And then on top of this, you're just going to take a very thinned out white polish and just draw like random lines scattered across the nail so it would look like rain, but the camera is kind of out of focus and the rain is falling really quickly, so it's a little blurry. And then just take the regular white polish without any nail polish thinner in it and just add some dots and a few more thin lines. And then I did the same to the middle fingernail, and if you see my finger kind of going in the frame, it's because I'm getting rid of the excess polish, but you could totally take another brush to do the same. And you also want to switch on to just the opaque white polish. So now for the thumb, just apply latex barrier. And you're going to be applying the same sort of radial gradient with the sparkly purple on the outside, then the dark blue, and then the white in the middle, and sponge that on until it is blended and opaque. And once you have the desired look, just peel off the latex barrier. Apply a layer of top coat. In the picture that V posted along with this song, he is taking a photo, so I'm going to start with his hand kind of clutching onto a camera and in the pose that he is ready to take a photo. So you do that with a peach color, and then for the camera it's going to be a black rectangle, and because the base is such a dark color, it's very hard to see on camera, but in person it looks a little bit more obvious. And when you add brighter shades like the chin that I am now drawing on, the shape of the camera will become more apparent. And on top of the camera you want to take a dark murky green and draw the cap. Then just fill in the cap with the same green polish. And taking the same flesh tone, just draw the ear and a darker tan color for the shadow. Then I also added shadows to the hat, just a few lines to show where it kind of crinkles with a dark green. His inner shirt is a lighter beige color, so I just draw that as an extension of the hand. And then to the right, just draw the flap of his coat using a orangey tan shade. Then do the same to the left side, except this part is going to be kind of like his elbow and his shoulder as an extension of his arm. And then in the middle, just fill in with a medium blue for the shirt. And then go over the shadow and fill in his finger at the top. And like I said, I'm going to be taking the same kind of orangey tan shade, and this is like where his arm will bend and go to his shoulder, and you want to do the same to the right side. And then I added shadows with a dark-ish brown, a medium brown, and a few in between tan shades. And you want to add some white highlights to the flaps, and then a white rectangle to the top right corner of the black rectangle, which is the camera. For the lens, use watered down gray polish and remove the excess with your finger to just add thin rings of gray polish. You also want to add the Flurry white specks for the rain like we did for the middle and ring fingernails, because that's how it appears in the photograph, and so we are using the same exact technique. And the final step is just to apply a generous layer of top coat so that you can seal the design and add longer wear time. So that's it for my V scenery or 풍경 inspired nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't checked out the time-lapse version of this nail art, then please click the I button right now to go to that video. And yeah, I mean, I had a lot of fun coming up with this design from that one image. And if you like my designs, then please give this video a like, and also to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!